The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces several new features, but one of the most interesting additions is something called privacy display. Unlike many smartphone features that focus only on performance or cameras, this one is designed to solve a real everyday problem that many people face when using their phones in public. Think about how often you use your phone in places like buses, trains, airports, cafes, or offices. When you're reading messages, checking emails, or browsing social media, there's always a chance someone nearby can glance at your screen. This issue is often called shoulder surfing, and it's something many smartphone users worry about. Samsung's new privacy display feature aims to fix exactly that problem. Samsung first showed this feature during the big launch event for the Galaxy S26 lineup, the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event held last month. During the presentation, the company demonstrated the feature in a dramatic way to highlight how effective it can be. Now that the phone is available, early demonstrations are showing exactly how it works in real life. When privacy display is turned on, the screen behaves differently depending on the angle from which it is viewed. If you are looking directly at the phone, everything appears normal and readable. But if someone tries to look at the screen from the side, the display becomes much harder to see. The brightness and visibility drop significantly when viewed from sharp angles. This means that someone sitting next to you, standing behind you, or looking from the side will struggle to see what is on your screen. In simple terms, the phone keeps the screen clear for the user, but hides it from others nearby. What makes this feature special is that Samsung has built it directly into the phone's hardware. In the past, people who wanted this kind of protection had to buy a privacy screen protector from third-party brands. Those protectors worked in a similar way by limiting viewing angles, but they also had several downsides. Many of them reduced screen brightness, affected color quality, and sometimes made the display look slightly blurry. With the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung has integrated the technology directly into the display itself. This means users can simply turn the feature on or off whenever they want, instead of relying on an external accessory. However, there is still a small trade-off. When privacy display is activated, the display quality changes slightly. Colors and brightness may not look exactly the same as when the feature is turned off. This happens because the phone is actively limiting viewing angles to block visibility from the sides. So while the feature adds an extra layer of privacy, it can slightly reduce display clarity compared to normal mode. The good news is that users remain fully in control. If you want the best possible display quality for watching videos or gaming, you can simply turn privacy display off. And if you're in a crowded place where privacy matters more, you can switch it back on. This flexibility makes the feature much more practical than traditional privacy screen protectors. Another reason this feature stands out is that it addresses a growing concern in the digital world. People now store more personal information on their phones than ever before. Messages, banking apps, work emails, photos, and private documents are all easily accessible from a smartphone. Because of this, protecting what appears on your screen has become just as important as protecting the phone itself. Samsung's approach with privacy display gives users a simple tool to keep their information safer in public environments. Whether you're replying to messages on a train, checking documents in a meeting, or browsing social media in a crowded cafe, the feature helps ensure that your screen stays visible only to you. It may not be the most flashy feature compared to new cameras or faster processors, but it solves a real problem that millions of people experience every day, and that's why many early users are calling it one of the most practical upgrades on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. As smartphones continue to evolve, features like privacy display show that innovation isn't only about speed or power. Sometimes the most useful upgrades are the ones that make everyday use safer, smarter, and more comfortable for the user.